Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all my students of class 9. My name is Miss Noreen and I will teach you chemistry online. Welcome to Metropolitan Foundation School. As you know students, your chemistry paper consists of 3 sections. Section A consists of MCQs. So today I will discuss MCQs of chapter number 4, that is periodicity of element. Okay, now I will discuss MCQs of chapter number 4. Number 1, the modern periodic table contains 7 horizontal rows called. These 7 horizontal rows what are called? Number 1, period. Number 2, group. Number 3, classification. The correct answer is these horizontal rows are called periods. Students, look at this picture. In this picture you see modern periodic table. In this modern periodic table, elements are arranged horizontal manner. These horizontal rows are called periods. Okay. Now we discuss second MCQs, that is modern periodic table is based. Modern periodic table contain vertical columns. First, option A 16, option B 17, option C 18 and option D 19. These MCQs total number of vertical columns in the modern periodic table is. कितने vertical columns होते हैं modern periodic table के अंदर? 4 ऑप्शन है. ऑप्शन A 16, ऑप्शन B 17, ऑप्शन C 18 and ऑप्शन D 19. So the correct answer in the modern periodic table, vertical columns are 16. Okay, look at this picture. In this picture you see vertical columns. Elements are arranged in vertical manner, in y-axis, in vertical manner. These vertical columns are called groups. And how many groups are present in the modern periodic table? 16. Remember students, how many groups are present in modern periodic table? 16 groups are included in modern periodic table. Now discuss another MCQs, that is the modern periodic table is based on. Modern periodic table is based on option A mass number, option B atomic number, option C group number. Modern periodic table किसके ऊपर बेस करता है? So the correct option, modern periodic table is based on atomic number. What do you mean by atomic number? Atomic number means sum of number of protons and electrons present in the atom is called their atomic number. किसी भी एटम के अंदर जितने नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट होते हैं वो उसका एटॉमिक नंबर कहलाता है. सो मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल इज बेस्ड ऑन एटॉमिक नंबर. नेक्स्ट, मेंडलीव पीरियोडिक टेबल. रिमेंबर, मेंडलीव पीरियोडिक टेबल वाज बेस्ड ऑन ऑप्शन ए मास नंबर, option B atomic number, option C periodic number. Remember students, modern periodic table is based on atomic number, but Mendeleev periodic table is based on mass number. What do you mean by mass number? Mass number means sum of number of protons and neutrons inside the nucleus of atom is called its mass number. न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जितने नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स और न्यूट्रॉन्स होते हैं उस एटम का मास नंबर कहलाता है. ओके, नाउ मूव नेक्स्ट MCQs. दिस पीरियड इज इनकम्प्लीट. ऑप्शन A 4, option B 5th, option C 6th, option D 7th. Which period in the periodic table is called incomplete period? 7th period in the periodic table is called incomplete period. Why they are called incomplete period? Because number of new elements discovered until and include in 7th period. Okay, now discuss next. All the transition elements are option A metals, option B non-metals, option C gases, and option D liquids. So the correct answer in the periodic table, all the transition elements are metals. Next, the most reactive metal is option A beryllium, option B sodium, option C helium, and option D neon. The most reactive element, the most reactive metal is sodium. So the correct option B is sodium. The sixth period in the periodic table is called option A long period, option B longest period, and option D shortest period. So students, sixth period is also called longest period. So the correct option is option B longest period. Next, noble gases are chemically inert because valence shell contain. It means why noble gases are chemically inert? Because their valence shell contain number option A 6 electron, option B 8 electron, and option C 10 electrons. कह रहे हैं कि noble gases के valence shell में कितने number of electrons होते हैं?
of chapter number
Noble
5
gases group
that is chemical bonding
of periodic table is called noble
is fifth
gases.
chapter
Therefore,
of your chemistry
their
book.
valence shell contain 8 electrons. Okay,
And
students,
today I will discuss
group
MCQ of
H
this
in
chapter
the
one by
periodic
one.
table is called noble gases.
We start MCQ number
Therefore,
1.
Their valence shell,
The
valence
force
shell of noble gases
which
contain
holds
8
atom
electrons.
together in a molecule
Noble
or
gases belong
crystal
to group
is
H.
called.
Okay. Next, move.
That force which holds
MCQ
atom in a
11.
molecule is called
The number of elements.
option A ionic bond,
The
option
number of
B
elements
covalent
present in
bond,
the periodic
option C
table
chemical
is
bond.
option A.
So students, that
option
force
B 3,
which
option
holds
C 4.
atoms together in a molecule, this
How many
force
number
is
of
called chemical
electrons are
bond.
present in the
Okay, the correct option is
First
option
period.
C chemical bond.
the correct
Second,
option?
the bond
The first
which
which
is formed by one-sided sharing
The-
of pair of
The example of
electrons
these two elements is hydrogen and
is
helium.
called. That bond which
Students,
is formed as a result of one-sided
first
sharing of
period
electron
table का उसके अंदर
is called
only two
option A
elements.
ionic bond,
So the correct
option
option
B
is
covalent
option A
bond,
2.
option C
The elements that
covalent
contain
bond.
Both metallic and non-metallic characteristics
That
are
bond which is
called.
formed by
Option A
one-sided
metals, option
sharing
B
of
non-metals,
electron. This
option
bond
C
is called
metals.
coordinate covalent bond.
That elements
So the correct
contain
option
both
is option
characteristics
C.
metal and
That is coordinate
Non-metals.
covalent bond.
these elements are called
Third, the
metalloids.
bond which is formed by the transfer
Ionization
of one
energy
or more
is measured
electrons
in what
from
is the
one
unit of
atom to
ionization
another
energy?
atom.
Option A
Is called
kilojoule per mole.
That bond
Option
which is
B
formed as a
kilojoule per
result
gram.
of
Option C
transfer of
kilojoule per
electron.
gram.
It
Kilojoule per
Here,
kilogram.
transfer of electron takes
Option
place
B
from one
kilojoule
atom to
per
another
atom. So the correct
This
option
type of bond is called
ionization
option
energy
A,
always
ionic bond.
measured in
Option B chemical bond,
A
option
is
C
correct
covalent bond.
kilojoule per
So
mole.
the correct answer is
Students,
ionic
remember
bond.
it,
The bond
ionization
which is
energy is
formed
measured in
by the
kilojoule
transfer
per
of
mole.
electron is called
Next,
ionic
fluorine
bond.
has
So the correct
electronegative
option is
value
option
of
A ionic bond.
option A 2,
Four,
option B
the
3,
bond
option C
which
4,
is
and
formed
option
by
D
the
5.
mutual sharing of electron.
What is the electronegative value of
Both
fluorine?
the atoms
The
participate
electronegative value of fluorine is
and
4.
share their electrons. This
Fluorine
type of
has
bond which is formed by the mutual
electronegative
sharing
values.
of
So the correct
electron
option is
between
option
atom,
C,
it is called
4.
Option A,
Next,
ionic
group
bond.
third A,
Option B,
metalloid
covalent
is.
bond. Option C,
Option A,
coordinate
aluminum.
covalent bond.
Option B,
So the
gallium.
correct
option
option
C,
is
boron.
option
And
B,
option
covalent
D,
bond. What is covalent
Indium.
bond? Covalent bond is formed by the mutual sharing of electrons.
third A,
It means both
boron
the
is a metalloid.
atoms participate
Boron belong to the group
in
third
bond
A and it
formation.
is a
This type
metalloid.
of bond is formed
Next, noble
by
gases
mutual
has
sharing of
8
electron is called
in their valence
covalent
shell.
bond.
Except
Fifth,
Option
double
A,
covalent bond is
neon.
denoted
Option
by
B, argon.
option A, single
Option
short
C,
line.
helium. Option D, xenon.
Two short line. Option C, three short line.
All the noble gases have
Students,
8
its name
electrons in their
indicates
valence shell.
double covalent bond.
Only one
Double
noble
covalent
gases
bond means double
which
means
has only one
two short
electron
lines.
in their valence shell.
Double covalent
and
bond
it is
denoted by two short line. So the
Helium,
option is
the
option
atomic
B,
number of helium
two
is
short line. Double covalent
and
bond
their
is
valence
denoted
shell
by
contain only
two short
one
lines.
electron.
Now, okay, MCQs number 6. The atoms
Next.
which supply the pair of electron
The elements
for bond
of
formation.
the metals
known
of
as-
group first A are called
वो एटम जो पेयर ऑफ
A, alkaline
इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को
metal,
सप्लाई
option B,
करता है
alkali,
किसी
option C,
बॉन्ड की
soft
फॉर्मेशन
metal, and
के
option
लिए। उस
D,
एटम को क्या कहते हैं?
hard
व्हाट
metal.
दे आर कॉल्ड?
group first A metals
A,
they are called alkaline metals
Option B,
because they form
donor,
water soluble
and
base.
option
For
C,
example, sodium
receiver.
hydroxide and potassium hydroxide.
So the correct option is
A,
option
got
B,
it.
that is donor.
Next, the elements of
The atom
7A
which
group
supplies
are known as
The pair of
option A,
electron for bond
halogens,
formation is called
option B,
donor.
lanthanides,
The correct option
C,
is option B,
actinides.
that is donor.
Elements of 7A group are known as
MCQ number
halogens.
7. The shared pair
In the
of
periodic table,
electron
Group 7A,
are-
elements of group 7A
coordinate covalent bond is denoted by
example chlorine,
the
fluorine,
shared
bromine,
pair of
iodine.
electron.
These are all
in-
called halogens.
A coordinate covalent bond is
The
denoted
incomplete
by
period in the periodic
जो
table.
coordinate
Option
covalent
A,
bond है
7,
उसमें हम shared
option
pair
B,
of
8,
electron को किससे
option
denote
C,
करते हैं?
12,
Option A,
and option D,
a
10,
single line.
which is the
option
incomplete
B,
period in the
double
periodic
line.
table. 7
Option C,
period in the
an
periodic
arrow.
table is called
So
incomplete
remember
period.
students, in coordinate
Now,
covalent
we
bond,
move next.
shared pair of electron
Only
is
liquid
denoted by
metal is
an arrow.
A, gold,
The correct option is option C, arrow.
mercury, C,
An arrow.
bromine.
Students, next
Remember,
I will
students, in
discuss
coordinate
MCQs
covalent bond,
of
shared
chapter
pair
number
of
5,
electron is always denoted
that
by
is chemical
an arrow.
bonding.
Option
It is
A,
chapter
covalent compound do not
chemistry book.
conduct. Covalent compound do not
And
conduct.
today I will discuss MCQs of this chapter one by one.
Option A,
We start MCQs
option
number
B,
1.
electricity, and option C,
The force
charge.
which holds
Covalent
atom
compound
together
do
in a
not conduct
molecule or
electricity.
crystal is called.
All the covalent compound do not conduct electricity. So
force
the correct option
which
is
holds
option
atom
B,
in a
that is
molecule
electricity.
is called option
MCQs
A,
number 9.
ionic bond.
A
Option
polar
B,
covalent
bond
is
option
formed
C, chemical
when
bond.
the negativity,
So students,
electronegativity
force
difference between
which
two
holds
bonded atom is
atoms together in a
जब
molecule
covalent
force
polar
is called
covalent bond
chemical
का
bond.
फॉर्म होता है जब
Okay, the
दो
correct option
एटम्स के
is
दरमियान
option C,
जो
chemical bond.
इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी है
Second,
उसका डिफरेंस
the
कितना
bond
होना चाहिए? ऑप्शन
which
ए
is formed by one-sided
one.
sharing of
ऑप्शन सी
pair of electrons
1.7 and option
is
D
called
2. So the correct
bond
option is
which
the
is formed as a result of
electronegativity
one-sided sharing of electron is called
1.7.
option A, ionic bond. Option B, covalent bond. Option C,
इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी
coordinate
कितना होगा?
covalent bond.
1.7 होगा दो एटम्स के दरमियान का, तभी पोलर कोवलेंट बॉन्ड फॉर्म होता है.
That bond which is formed by
Option 10.
one-sided sharing of electrons.
10.
This bond is called coordinate covalent bond.
Two
So the
similar
correct option is option C. That is
option
coordinate
A
covalent
non-polar,
bond.
option B polar,
Third,
option C
the bond which is
covalent.
formed by the transfer of
That
one
bond
or
which is
more
formed between
electrons
similar
from one
atoms
atom to
they
another
are
atom
called
non-polar bond, polar bond which is formed as a result of correct option transfer of electron. A non-polar means here transfer of electron takes place from one atom to another called a non-polar bond. This type of bond is called option A ionic bond, MCQs number 11 B chemical bond, option C also called electrovalent. So the correct answer is ionic bond. The bond which is formed by the transfer of electron bond is called electrovalent bond. So the correct option is option A ionic bond. Option B coordinate the bond which is formed by the mutual sharing of electrons. And option D here bond. Both the atoms participate. So the correct option is option C. Share their electrons. Remember that this type of bond which is formed by the mutual sharing of electron in atom, it is called. Why they are called electrovalent bond? Because option B this bond is formed by the transfer of electron. Therefore they are called electrovalent bond. Option B covalent bond. Okay. What is covalent bond? Covalent bond is formed by the mutual sharing of electron. It means both the atoms participate. Option B absorb formation. Option C double bond is formed by mutual sharing of electron is called covalent. So the correct option is option B. Fifth double covalent bond is denoted by के दौरान absorb option A single short line. Option B energies of two short line during the option C 3 short line. Next student is number 13. Name indicate double covalent bond. Double covalent bond means double is the example of two short lines. Which type of double covalent bond is denoted by two short lines? Option B. So the correct option is option B bond and option C non-polar bond. Covalent bond is denoted by two short lines. Sodium chloride is an example of ionic compound. Sodium chloride MCQ number 6 is a common the atoms which supply the pair is an example of ionic bond formation. Okay, it's known as. Now discuss what atom जो pair of electrons को supply molecules in bond की formation of उस atom को क्या कहते हैं? Ionic. They are called option B polar, A option C non-polar, acceptor, option D neutron, and water is a polar molecule. So the correct option is option B, that is elements, hydrogen, the atom which supply the pair of electrons. In water molecule, two atoms of hydrogen combined. The correct option is option B, that atom of oxygen. Hydrogen is the positive charge. The shared pair of oxygen is the negative charge. Hydrogen and oxygen coordinate covalent bond is denoted by charge. Therefore, the shared pair of electron polar molecule. A coordinate covalent bond is denoted by water is a polar molecule. Coordinate covalent bond है उसमें हम shared pair of molecule two elements. Option A has opposite charge line. Therefore, they are called polar double line. Option C and arrow. I hope students. So remember students, in coordinate covalent MCQs, shared pair of electrons your homework by an assignment. You will learn this MCQ. So the correct option is option C arrow and an arrow. Write down their notebook. Remember students, के coordinate covalent bond shared pair of electron is always denoted by an arrow. Option 8. Covalent compound do not conduct. Covalent compound do not conduct. Option A heat, option B electricity, and option C charge. Covalent compound do not conduct electricity. All the covalent compound do not conduct electricity. So the correct option is option B, that is electricity. MCQs number 9. A polar covalent bond is formed when the electronegativity difference between two bonded atom is. कह रहे जब कोवलेंट पोलर कोवलेंट बॉन्ड कब फॉर्म होता है? जब दो एटम्स के दरमियान की जो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी है उसका डिफरेंस कितना होना चाहिए? ऑप्शन ए 0, ऑप्शन बी 1, ऑप्शन सी 1.7 एंड ऑप्शन डी 2. So the correct option is the electronegativity difference between two atoms is 1.7 when a polar covalent bond is formed. जब इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी का डिफरेंस कितना होगा? 1.7 होगा दो एटम्स के दरमियान का, तभी पोलर कोवलेंट बॉन्ड फॉर्म होता है. ऑप्शन 10 MCQs 10 a covalent bond formed between two similar atoms. Option A non-polar, option B polar, option C covalent. That bond which is formed between similar atom is what they are called? Non-polar bond, polar bond या covalent bond. So the correct option is option A non-polar bond. That bond which is formed between two similar atoms is called non-polar bond. MCQs number 11. The bond which is also called electrovalent bond. What bond is called electrovalent bond? Option A covalent bond, option B coordinate covalent bond, option C ionic bond, and option D chemical bond. So the correct option is option C ionic bond. So student, remember that ionic bond is also called electrovalent bond. Why they are called electrovalent bond? Because this bond is formed by the transfer of electron. Therefore they are called electrovalent bond. Okay, now we discuss MCQs number 12. In the bond formation, bond energy is option A released, option B absorbed, option C doubled. So the correct option is option B absorbed. Bond energy क्या होती है? रिलीज होती है bond formation के दौरान, absorb होती है या double हो जाती है. So the correct option, energy is absorbed during the bond formation. Next, MCQs number 13. Sodium chloride is an. Sodium chloride, what is the example of which type of bond? Option A ionic bond, option B covalent bond, and option C non-polar bond, non-polar compounds. Sodium chloride is an example of ionic compound. Sodium chloride, NaCl, is a common salt and it is an example of ionic compound. Okay. Now discuss MCQs number 14. Water molecule is example of option A ionic, option B polar, option C non-polar, and option D neutral. So water is a polar molecule. It consists of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. In water molecule, two atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of oxygen. Hydrogen is a positive charge and oxygen is a negative charge. Hydrogen and oxygen has a opposite charge, therefore they are called polar molecule. Okay, so water is a polar molecule because in water molecule two elements has opposite charge, therefore they are called polar molecule. I hope students you understand this MCQs. Your homework and assignment, you learn this MCQs at home and write down their notebooks. Okay, thanks.